we upgraded Bumblebee James to use a 9-volt battery instead of the normal 1.5-volt C-cell battery. Come here, stand over here, and watch. And here it goes. Super fast James. Whoa! Cool. Okay, here's Bumblebee James pulling 1, 2, 3, 4 cars with a load, and he's been upgraded to 9-volt battery. Let's see what happens. Whoa! There we go, super speed. Ready? Here goes James. Super speed. Whoa! Bumblebee James. Whoa! Super speed, can't take the turn.
This is really an easy project to do, and once you make your Thomas Train super speed or high speed, kids love it. You gotta use an Alkaline 9-volt battery to get best results. Holy Joe Rock and Roll reporting to you live. Peace.